Another great example, a much newer petroglyph. You see how bright it is, how white that is? It's the underlayer of rock that's still exposed, whereas the patina, the desert varnish, hasn't filled it in yet. But then you look at this one, the patina has filled in the image. So this image here is way older than this image here. And that's interesting because there's other super ancient images and then these brighter ones. So the question remains, did they already disappear when this newer tribe came in? Or, because this is the nature of man, this is the nature of all things, did the newer tribe exterminate the older tribe? I don't know. Probably this rock was bigger at the time and it fell off. Could be in a million pieces around me. Who knows where it went? Could have gotten washed out in a massive flash flood. Who knows? Unless they deliberately chipped it like that.